Hello.
How's it going?
It's going good.
How are you?
I'm doing well. This is, you can check. And then here's the power supply. That's the new GPU box.
Yeah.
So I got the 9070.
Oh, the XT, did you? So how come you're getting rid of this so cheap? Just trying to get rid of it?
Yeah, I put it for 300. It wasn't selling, and so I just did 250. I actually started with 350. Wasn't selling. Went down to 300. Yeah, it was posted yesterday.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to get rid of it.
So I actually make YouTube videos and I document this.
Okay.
Are you okay with being on camera? If not, I could cut you out and everything if you have a problem with it. It's totally up to you.
Sure, you can put me on YouTube, yeah?
Yeah, so what I do is I film, you know, getting parts from Facebook Marketplace, and then I do a YouTube video build on it. And so this is actually part of my 500 subscriber special. Is I was challenged by my viewers to build the best $500 computer that's possible.
Yeah.
And so I actually had it lined up with a 3070 and everything, and but everyone's like, you have to. So what I do is I make a build that's non-repeatable. Like, it's so unrealistic that anyone could build it. So I just recently did it with a $1,000 build. I had a 4080 and a $1,000 computer, and so then I did a $1,000 repeatable build.
4080 with $1,000.
Yeah, exactly. So it's
that's like 4080 usually costs $1,000.
Exactly. And so yeah, it was a Ryzen 5 7600 AM5 platform, B650. Yeah, and then I had a 4080 in it. Yeah. And so I did that. That's what actually made my channel start kind of blowing up. And then people wanted a repeatable version. So then I made an all new $1,000 build that anyone can make with just a 5060 Ti. But then for my 500 subscribers, they're like, you have to do the same thing, but with a $500 build. So I've been for like the last since I was at 380 subscribers, I've been like sourcing the parts, right? So anyways, you made it achievable for me. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
So here is 250. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I forgot to bring the. I forgot to, you know, the.
Oh, okay. That's not a big deal. Yeah, I have plenty of them. Definitely.
Okay.
Awesome.
And I got a new. I got the new power supply.
Oh, did you really? Because I was like, man, this is a good power supply too.
They require 3 PCI.
Oh, okay.
CPU.
Oh, do they?
Has space for.
Oh, interesting. You didn't want to run splitters off of it. Totally understand.
Well, because the Corsair, the AIO cooler has like they have a modular thing, but that requires a PCI.
Oh, okay.
So 2 on the CPU, 2 on the GPU, and then 1 on the.
Oh, I got it.
Modular.
You got a nice system running, huh?
Yeah. So that way, so this Superflower has like 4.
Yeah. No, this is a top of the line power supply. An actual top of the line power supply.
I got all this yesterday.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Dude, well, I thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Good luck.
If you're curious, FPS for less. Your card will be in a build soon enough.
Okay, that sounds good.
Awesome. You have a good one. I very much appreciate it. This is just too fucking good to be true. Truly. I literally just accomplished this if this is legit. Like, I actually just accomplished it.
Probably.